Hello everyone. First open your Instagram and from your profile section on the top tap on add icon, tap on story, scroll down and tap on create. On the top tap on sticker icon. From search or from this section find cutout sticker and tap on it. Now choose any photo or video you want. For example, I choose this photo. Now wait creating a sticker. You can select manually or as you see automatically select that part and tap on use a sticker. Wait. As you see, our image background was deleted and this is our sticker. After that, for publish, tap on your story. Now open your story. As you see, we convert our image to a sticker and publish on Instagram story. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.